Buenas tardes, guys. We are at Planta Uno. This is the outside of the building here. It's like it was like old warehouse or train yard or something like that they converted into like a central market. So they have like food you can buy to eat. I think also like if you want to pick up like some fresh things to bring home, fruits and vegetables, meats, cheeses, those type of things. They have all of that inside. So we're gonna go here, have lunch, probably pick up a few things, and then head to another place. So let's check it out. So once you go through those big metal doorways or whatever you want to call them, then you have like the actual market here. And you see like it's pretty new, pretty modern. Not sure how long it's been here, but looks fairly recent. And it's super hot out here, guys. It's Sunday and it's probably in the high 80s, a little wind, but it'd be good to kind of spend time indoors to kind of get away from this heat. All right, so let's check it out. So as soon as you walk in, there's like a wine club here. So we haven't been to any wineries yet, but it's on our list to do for next week. And then just like a ton of like great food and stuff you can probably buy from here. So I'm gonna try to find Olivia and the baby. Let's see. Oh yeah, pizza, a little market here. Let's see, New Garden. And here it's like you can buy some like cheeses and fruits and vegetables. So we're gonna probably check this out a little bit later. I wanna get something to eat first, starving. It's weird because I don't see them. They just walked in like a couple minutes ago. There they are, I finally found them. I was looking for you guys, I couldn't find you. Hey, baby Jean. So we just finished lunch and the food was pretty good. Total cost was about $55. So we had 3 cocktails, 2 appetizers and 3 meals, so not bad. The food was really good, definitely worth the price. If this would have been back home, it would have been $300 easy. So definitely love the fact that we could save some money here. So now we're gonna check out a gelato place and get some gelato or maybe sorbet for me, since I don't eat ice cream. So let's check out, see what they have. Let's see. It's kind of like the other place we went to, the New Year's. It's pretty good though. So we got a lot of different options. Which one do you want, baby? Pistachio or strawberry?
Strawberry and
So está frutilla a la crema y café y pistachio. ¿Y otra? ¿Está pomelo con agua o con crema?
al agua.
Agua, sí. Ok. Pomelo y limón y frutilla de agua. O agua. All right, so Olivia has pistachio, strawberry with cream, and coffee. And I have all sorbet made from water, so lemon, strawberry, and also, I think this is, grapefruit with ginger beer. So let's test it out. This is pretty good. So the total for this was about $3 and some change each. It's pretty good. It's very rich, good quality. I see gin here. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so we just left after eating our ice cream and sorbet. I'm gonna hop in an Uber and check out this this mall. About a 9-minute drive from here, and see what that's like, and then probably head back so Jen can take a nap. It's kind of late and he hasn't slept. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, guys, so we at Palmares Plaza, open mall. So not too sure what's all here. So we're gonna just take a look around just to kind of see. We noticed just like a few restaurants off top. We have McDonald's, KFC, some place called Chappas, and like one of the best steakhouses, Don Mario's, is here. So we may check that out on a different day since we just ate. But yeah, we're gonna just walk around and kind of get the vibe and get an idea of like what's here. Sure. So this place kind of reminds me when we came in, they have like the tall palm trees on that famous street out in Hollywood, in LA. Not Hollywood, but in LA. So it kind of reminded us of that. I don't know if we can ever get a video because we kind of drove in through that way and they let us in here. So, but yeah, let's take a look inside the mall. Way more comfortable, more cool, air conditioner, because it's super hot outside, guys. Just walk this way. Let's see. I'm glad they have it inside because it's so hot out. This is kind of like a Ralph Lauren here. Toy shop here for Jin. Watches, jewelry, everything. Oh yeah, this. Oh, you gotta blow it up. we got a playland park here. But little Jen just fell asleep, so I'm not sure if he wants to wake up and play or not, but this is cool. You wanna walk around? These bumper cars are cool, brings me back to my childhood. Used to love these things. Surprised there's not more people here by it being like a Sunday afternoon. Oh, and they have like another set too here. A lot of kids stuff down here. Maybe all kids. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for the mall. I couldn't tape anymore because security said there's no filming inside of the mall, so I had to stop filming. But you guys kind of got the idea of what's there. I mean, there's a few more stores that's outside here, but nothing major. Pharmacy, a couple other shops like toy store and stuff. Other than that, everything's inside. There's like a ton of different restaurants that are outside as well to eat at. So I saw like pasta, steak, burgers, the McDonald's, KFC, a bunch of different options. So yeah, definitely a good place to kind of come hang out, do a little shopping and grabbing some food. See you guys in the next one.